Might you have the property for more than 1 CR, but that property doesn't give that cash flow, and cash flow will make you the king. The way of doing business, way of talking, way of walking, way of relationship, everything it will be changed. So in my experience, the 27 years, you can have two kinds of 1 crore assets. One, either you can have the deposit in your bank, not in one bank, you can keep it in 5 6 bank, or some RD also you can keep it. So FD you can keep, so there will be no problem at all. Don't ask me the question, sir, more than 5 lakhs bank also will not take guarantee. I also know that, but you can keep in FD. That, but FD anytime you will break, whatever time you kept, it will be not lost to you. Now one, suppose you have liquidity 1 crore, how you will fill that? How we will have the power to take the any opportunity decision? This is one way. Suppose you have not made 1 crore cash, then if you start for giving 199 and you becomes is equivalent crorepati, but not for you. This will be generation, for the generation from day one. Now this also will change your walk, talk and taking risk also. And you are one more things, you tell me how many people can protect your risk? There is a 5 risk on life. Nobody can protect. If you walk, if you go from home, even you are in home also, everywhere risk are there. Because this is a God act. When God has given birth, the one more side is different. It's ready, correct? So there is a 3 phase. One is waiting, another is an RSC, and third is a confirm. For the confirm, I'll take sir Atma unki Santi de. समझ रहे हैं? So this is the things. So this way you can have more details about to understand, and it will becomes one to more details how it will be affect your 199 crorepati for your lifetime, for your next generation also. Thank you very much. Thank you, and Felix, you have given the time. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Pandit. Thank you, Pandit. Next, can we hear from